Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to our channel. Josh and Ken's here. It's been a while, but today we're gonna go on a swamp tour. We're gonna see some little gators. And it's supposed to rain, but we'll see what happens. Let's see what we got. We made it out here. Just hit the bathroom real quick. They got a little spot where we check in. They got a little gift shop, so we're going to see what that's about. Got a little snake in here. And a little baby. Also, today we got with us the fam.
About a 7-footer. Jump right here. Up. Up.
Oh, look. Oh, wow.
Eyes in the tip of his nose, whatever that is in inches, that's how long his feet. So, like I said, he's about 7.5, close to 8 feet. Right behind his eyes, you see a little slit, that's his ear. He can hear you, see you, smell you, and feel you. He's got vibration sensors on his bottom jaw. He's got 80 teeth in his mouth. If he loses one, he'll grow one back. I wish we could do that. The little ridges all down his back is called scoops. That's what warms him up like little solar panels. They stick up, the sun beats on them, warms up, his main blood vessels run right down his back. And if you ever hunt alligators, there's the kill spot right there. See it on the back, right soft right there? So if you ever get attacked whenever it attacks you got a knife, that's where you got to stab. It's got a little cut on it for fighting. Alligators eat alligators. Big alligators eat little alligators because it's easy. You ready? Mm-hmm. Come on. Right there, that's a high one right there. Ready? Jump. Notice how much bigger he is. Oh, here it comes. That's why he can shrink up. Now it's like a little bitty alligator. Oh yeah. When it gets cold and we get a little frost here in the wintertime, they'll die off and the bud. But before they grow up, we have purple irises here. The whole place turns purple with irises. Louisiana wildflower. They done, they there. You just can't see them anymore because the sometimes. With this, one fell on the roof. That's happened. But the best thing, none of the snakes in here are poisonous. You can eat them all. Make y'all feel better?
Yes.
You know why we don't have poisonous snakes in here? Because snakes are not poisonous, they're venomous. We got a lot of venomous snakes. Rattlesnakes, ball snakes, chicken rattlers, copperheads, cottonmouths, devil. Never lost anybody due to a snake.
Yeah.
Always bring them back to the dock. Died in the boat, 20 gates and 5 points on fire.
Look at this.
But you notice how alive our swamp is. See on TV, everything's dead. Look, our swamp is dead now, not Louisiana. It's like 3D, that stuff that's on the bottom. Swamp bugs, they call them boatmen. You got stuff on the bottom that's growing, crawfish, stuff like that. Then in the water you got the fish and different things. Then on top you got alligators, birds, different things that swim around on the land in different areas. And occasionally you can see a couple of snakes. Went right past us, dummy. Now, alligator has a tongue, but it's attached to the bottom of his jaw, so he can't move it around. Indian word bayou means water.
Let the other side of the boat see it.
Oh my God, I love him.
Hi, sweet baby. Oh, hello.
Yeah, they're bigger ones, they eat them up there. But these pigs here, they're attacking out. Crispy! Crispy bacon. Come on, baby. Come on.
Oh my lord. I am dead, done. I can die happy
Me
now.
too.
Like,
Come on.
happiest day of my life? Probably.
Come on.
Are you kidding?
I love it. Is it boy?
Female. Little sow.
Oh my god.
Trash panda.
Also the name of the Huntsville minor league baseball team.
River's still on the hook in that part of the street. A lot of it's still out. We had a super little river.
All right, y'all, that's the end. It was amazing. Got to see some animals.
Got some pigs and raccoons.
That was it. See you next time. Later.